Hey everyone, it's Kate. Welcome back to the channel. I'm about to dive into the 30-day Minimalism Game challenge, and I was wondering if you wanted to join me. If you're new here, welcome to the family. I talk about frugal living, saving money, budgeting, and minimalism. If you're interested in that sort of thing, you're in the right place. Please hit subscribe, hit the bell so you're notified every time I upload, and hit the thumbs up if you like this kind of content. Today, I am combining 3 of my favorite people in the minimalist world to bring you, first of all, the benefits that you might experience through practicing minimalism, and secondly, a challenge to dive into it. In order for us to explore this concept, I'm going to share a piece of content that Josh Becker wrote. Josh Becker is the founder of Becoming Minimalist, and I have learned so much from him. I am going to share the 21 benefits of owning less that he shared with us from his blog. Here are the benefits of minimalism that you might experience should you partake. Number 1, spending less. He says, choosing to accumulate only the essentials often results in financial freedom. Spending less on things you don't really need will cut your financial expenses and increase your savings. Who doesn't want that? Number 2 is less stress. Just makes my shoulders relax thinking about it. A minimalist home is significantly less stressful. Being able to freely move around and enjoy your home is a huge weight off your shoulders. You literally will feel it. Number 3, easier to clean. The fewer things in our home, the fewer things there are to clean. This makes cleaning a significantly easier chore. Number 4, more freedom. The sense of freedom that comes from minimalism is truly refreshing. You will no longer feel tied to the material possessions in your home, and you'll feel a new sense of independence. Number 5, it's good for the environment. The less we consume and buy, the less damage we do to the environment. Number 6 is to be more productive. Our possessions consume more time than we realize. Number 7, an example for your kids. He says these are valuable life lessons they will never learn in the media. Number 8 is support other causes. Money is only as valuable as what we choose to spend it on. Number 9 is own higher quality things. More is not better. Better is better. Number 10 is less work for someone else. Create a less stressful life today and lessen the burden on someone else too. Number 11 is be happier. Owning fewer possessions makes you happier. Number 12, buns, is do work you love. Own less stuff, choose work you love. Number 13 is freedom from the comparison game. Our culture begs us to own more, he says. Number 14 is time for the things that matter the most. The more stuff you own, the more stuff owns you. Number 15, it's visually appealing. Makes your home more appealing. Number 16 is you're not tied to the past. Release the past to create a better tomorrow. Number 17 is less places for your heart. Invest your heart into meaningful things. Number 18 is more opportunity to rest. Take a deep breath. Feels good. Number 19, you find things easier. Own less stuff. Find stuff quicker. Number 20 is live in a smaller space. For most families, the home is the most costly investment they'll ever make. Number 21 is display what you value most. Communicate what is important. I just feel lighter and happier just reading that list and thinking, yeah, I do want all that. Is minimalism necessarily the answer to all that? Not necessarily, but you can see how it could really lead to a life of all those things we just listed. So hear me out. This is what I'm thinking I want to do for the month of March, if you are watching this real time, but you could start it literally any month. I'm going to play a game that the Minimalists came up with. Have you ever heard of the Minimalists? It's Joshua Milburn and Ryan Nicodemus. They're 2 of my other favorites. Josh Becker and the Minimalists. I just love their content and I love the message they're spreading. So I am going to participate in the challenge and I'm inviting you to do it with me. This is how it goes. I want to make sure I say it exactly the way they say it so that I have it right. They say, find a friend, family member, or coworker who's willing to minimize their stuff with you next month. I'm hoping it's you that is going to join me. Each person gets rid of one thing on the first day of the month, 2 things on the second day of the month, 3 things on the third day of the month, and so on. Anything goes. Collectibles, decorations, kitchenware, electronics, furniture, bedding, clothes, towels, tools, anything, items, any items, get them out of your house. They say whether you donate, sell, or trash your excess, every material possession must be out of your house and out of your life by midnight each day. It's an easy game at first because the first few days it's like 1 thing, 2 things. But as the month goes on, it gets a little harder and a little harder. Whoever keeps going the longest wins. You both win if you both make it to the end of the month. Bonus points if you play with more than 2 people. Let's play with more than 2 people, you guys. Let's do this. Spring is coming, right? Spring, I know we're in the middle of winter still, but it's coming and it's going to be here before you know it. So if we take March, this is what I'm thinking, to clear out, by the end of this, you'll have cleared out almost 500 things. So 30 days have September, April, June, and November. When short February is done, all the rest have 31. So March has 31 days. So if you do 30 or 31 days, if you do 30 days, that's 465 items. If you do the actual 31st day, that's very close to 500, just under 500. Wouldn't that be nice to go into spring cleaning season with almost 500 items less? That's what I'm thinking. Look in your garage, your attic, your paperwork. Oh gosh, the paperwork. The knickknacks, the excess towels, the stuff that just doesn't go anywhere. 20 extra sets of sheets. There's so much. Think about it. Do you want to play this minimalism game with me? Let me know in the comments. Let me know down below. Are you joining me? Should we make some March Madness of our own and get rid of some stuff? Let's declutter together. Let's do it together. Truth be told, we all win if we do this. Who are going to be the winners? All of us. I'm so excited to do this challenge. I hope you do it with me. Let me know below if you're going to do it. And if you follow me on any other social media, Instagram or Facebook, leave me messages, tag me in them, and let me know what you're getting rid of. I don't feel like you have to document every single day. We do have other things to do. But if you feel like it, show me your piles, show me your items, tag me in anything relevant to that, decluttering, the minimalism game. I would love to see your progress. Let's do this. If you'd like more videos on minimalism, I'll leave some more here and here. And before we go, I just want to thank Joshua Becker, Joshua Fields Milburn, and Ryan Nicodemus for bringing us all this great minimalism content. I appreciate you all, and I really love the message you're spreading, and thank you, or else I wouldn't have adopted many of these things that I have in my life that have truly been life-changing. So thank you. See you all next time. Bye, guys.